The staff are specifically interested in making sure that their students succeed, that they have real-world skills, and getting opportunities to show potential employers what they're doing. Hello, I'm Paige Maxwell. I graduated from Columbia Basin College with a bachelor's degree in applied science in information technology. I'm currently working as a software engineer at Pacific Northwest National Laboratory. I originally decided to pursue computer science because I had taken some of the computer science courses offered at CBC, and that led me to want to pursue a bachelor's in a computer science related field.
The reason I chose CBC to earn my BAS degree was because I live locally and I have kids. I didn't want to uproot them. Also the affordability, it just made sense to come here. It was the perfect situation for my personal needs and my family's needs. Hi, my name is Julianne Smith. I graduated from CBC with a BAS in cybersecurity. I currently work at Mission Support Alliance and I'm a project planner/coordinator. The thing that interested me about cyber was that there is such a need for cyber professionals. When I did some research, I saw that there's not enough people. There will never be enough people. So the job security is really, really good. I came into this program completely blind. I had no idea what I wanted to do, but the atmosphere that I sensed with the instructors and the students, it made me want to give it a try.
It's important to have a BAS degree in my field. It's generally an expectation for most employers that you'll have a bachelor's of applied science or some other bachelor's degree in a relevant field like computer science, information technology, information sciences, etc. And the professors were really interested in making sure that the projects we were doing were relevant to the type of work that we wanted to do when we graduated and to the employers in our field, what they were looking for.
My BAS was essential for my job. I could not have applied for that job without it. I would highly encourage anybody who wants to pursue a degree in cyber, go all the way. Just take that, get that BAS done with. It's not too much longer. You're just going to get an extra layer of depth of understanding. So many people say, I took so many classes that aren't relevant. That has not been true for me with cyber at all.
My BAS in IT from CBC has helped me at my current position by giving me some really current skills that I didn't see in a lot of other programs that I was looking at. The mix of hard skills like programming with C++ and Python and C#, those are really relevant to my work, but it was, I think, the mix of new and varied skills that lets me be really versatile in my work now.
CBC means life for me because I didn't know what I was going to do. I needed to have a way to support myself and my children. And CBC has allowed me to have solid ground, to have a decent salary, great job security. The door was wide open once I got this degree. And so I will forever be grateful to CBC for this opportunity.